Hey guys, it's me, Yana, and today I'm going to teach you something. You want to hear it? Oh, How I Love Jesus is one of my favorite songs. My mom said this is just an old song, but I just learned it this week, so it's not an old song to me. If you want to sing it with me, the words are down in the scripture box. In the Bible too. You can read it in the Bible. It's in the Bible. Oh, How I Love Jesus. It's a song. You can sing it. Sing it whatever you want. No. The words are, there is a name I love to hear. I love to sing its word. It sounds like music in my ear, the sweetest name on earth. Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus. Because he first loved me. Got it? Good. Now let's sing it. There is a name I love to hear. I love to sing it as well. Oh, it sounds like music in my ear. The sweetest name on earth. Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus. Because he first loved me. Sing with me. Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus. Oh, how I love Jesus. Because he first loved me. Because he first loved me. You guys did a good job singing with me. You guys sound beautiful. Give yourself a hand clap. You try it now. I want you guys to keep on practicing every week and every day until you get better and better at it so I can hear it on the video. So give it a thumbs up if you like this video and press the subscribe button. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys enjoyed my singing. Bye-bye. Today's song I'm going to teach you is, I'm freaking out. Oh, how I love Jesus. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like for more videos.